I was 10 weeks old when I died twice while having open heart surgery. I'm 28 now, and it's been around 250 days that I've been waiting to get the surgery I need in order to survive. Life for the past few months have been increasingly difficult both on the body and my mind. I don't go more than half an hour without being reminded of my fate. I don't have answers, I don't have possibilities, and there's no light at the end of this tunnel. Uncertainty has been hovering over my head like a dark cloud for over 2 years, and it's sucking any life I have left in me. I was born with congenital heart disease, 2 holes in my heart, and an aortic issue that I can never remember the name of. And ever since then, I've been making the most of my life. And I have. After having surgery at 10 weeks old, I was fixed, or so we thought. I moved country, I started studying and working, I made friends and found many hobbies. But recently, as everything has been looking hopeful, I have had a grim reminder of my situation when I started having severe issues with my heart again. It has been a long 2 years, and it was in December of 2022, 2 days before Christmas, that I was put on a 3-month or 90-day maximum wait list for open heart surgery that will fix these issues for good. The cardiac surgeon had to let me know that in a year's time I could be facing heart failure, which is irreversible damage. And in 2 years' time, it wouldn't be fixing a heart, it would be replacing it, or I would be facing death. It's September, almost 5 months after I've needed surgery, and almost 3 months away from that year the doctor warned me about. I've sent out countless letters, I've been on hold for countless hours, and yet I have not got an answer if I will have surgery anytime soon. My name is Emma, and this is my story. As an update, while making this video, because it's taken a very long time to make this video because it's mentally exhausting and physically exhausting to even think about talking about the subject. This week I actually phoned the hospital, as I do, and I received a penciled in date for a month from now, the 12th of October, to have surgery. Again, this is penciled in, there's no guarantee. If they happen to have an emergency or someone's away sick or there's not enough beds, that date gets pushed back and pushed back and pushed back. But it's the first sign of a little bit of good news in this whole ordeal.